going to take you to Kakole Beach, where specialty is direct rivulet water joins to the sea. I am at khola, kankona, and at Kakole Beach. You see here the beach, and let us go to the waterfall which joins this sea. You can see a wild banana tree. You can see here more than 500 steps you have to get down. But the natural beauty here is at top class, and it is in the monsoon season, and ocean waves are at high peak. And now you can see I am almost at the sea level. It is very dangerous to enter into the sea, but I am here to show you this waterfall here. Just now there was a very heavy rain, so little muddy water is there. Otherwise, this water is very well crystal clear, and that time its beauty is more. But still, you can enjoy this waterfall, which directly enters into the sea. A lot of tourists enjoying here. So be here sometime to enjoy this natural beauty of Goa. And here you can see the beauty, the water going directly to the sea.